Welcome to Taipei Chinese Culture Summer Camp. Today we are going to be teaching you paper folding. Paper folding is basically using your magic hands and a flat piece of paper, and you're going to fold in different techniques to make fruit, animals, flowers, and many more. Traditional way of paper folding, we do not use glue or scissors. However, in the modern paper folding, we fuse together paper art. So we do use glue and scissors. With paper folding, you need concentration and patience. Today we're going to be doing two projects. The first project is called a lucky spinner. It looks like this. It spins good luck. The second one we are going to be making is a spinning top. It looks like this, and it will spin. What you will need to make the first project is you're going to need a long sheet of paper, and you will be needing a scissors. For the second project, this one, you will need 3 equal size square paper. So let's begin the first one. The first one, which is the lucky spin, what you're going to do first is you're going to take the long piece of paper like this. You're going to fold it in half. Once you fold it in half, you will see a center line. For the center line right here, you will need to take your scissors and you're going to cut it into 1/3. You're going to cut this past the center just a little bit. Then what you're going to do is take this and you're going to turn this around, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Again, 1/3. Once you cut this, you're going to fold these part like this together and make sure that it is a V shape. Now, like this, we also need to use physics and math when we do paper folding. You will need some type of weight. So I recommend a small paper clip. Then you clip the 2 pieces of papers together like this. And the first project is finished. This is called the lucky spinner. The more you spin, the more luck that you have. So what you have to do to make this work is make sure the paper clip is on the bottom. It is a V shape. You take this, pick it up, and you put it down. And this is our first project. The next project that we'll be doing is the spinners. You will need 3 pieces of paper. We're going to make 3 different parts. The first part we're going to make is the one in the center. So for the center one, what you're going to do is take your square piece of paper. You're going to fold the paper in half like this. Once you fold the paper in half, you're going to open this and you fold the other side in half. You should now get 4 equal square papers. As you can see, there's little points on the top, bottom, left, and right. What you're going to do is take these points and fold it right into the middle section. So you have like this, but you want to do it to all the different sides. So you should get something like this. Now we want to repeat it one more time. You see now again the points here, here, left and right, up and down. We're going to do the same thing again and put it right in the middle. So now you should have a smaller version of the first project. We're going to do this one more time. So again, up, down, left and right, to the center. Make sure to fold it on all 4 sides. You should get this right here. With this now, you're going to take this and you're going to fold this just a little bit down on this side. You're going to fold the same way on the other side, going down. And then you're going to squeeze this together. to form this shape. Okay. So now our first part, which is this, is complete. We're going to put this now on the side. You're going to take up the second piece of paper. And again, we're going to fold it into the 4 squares. So again, the first part, half. Open this up and do the other side. And again, we have 4 equal squares. You want to do the same thing, and you fold this to the center on all 4 sides. You should get this. But this time, we want to flip the paper over and then do the same thing. So this again, left, right, up and down to the center. And you should have this. You're going to flip this over again, and you should have these little flocks right here. And then you're going to do it one more time to this way. So go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now you should get this shape right here. The back look like this, the front look like this. The ones that has a little thing that goes like this, you're going to fold it up on all 4. 2, 3, 4. And you should get this. Now the second piece is now complete. We should put this down. We're going to now take up our last piece of square paper. For this square paper, you're going to be folding it slightly different. For this one, you're going to fold the paper in half, like this. When you open it up, you should have a center line. You want to fold the top part and the bottom part to the center. So the first part looks like this. And then the bottom part looks like this. Then you're going to turn the paper over like this, and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to fold it in half. When you open it up, you have the top part and the bottom part, again folding it to the center. So the top part looks like this, and then you're going to fold the bottom. So now you should get this shape like this. This is the part that's a little bit tricky, so look closely. So you're going to take this, you're going to fold this up, and you see that there is this part right here that's opening up, and then you see there's a line right here. These 2 lines should match, and you want to do the same thing with this side and also this side. So I'll turn it over this way. So you can go like this. So one side like this, and then the other side. Then you can take these little flops down, like this. You want to do the same thing from this side also to the other side. So again, to the other side, just turn the paper around. Again, you want to open it up. You have the 2 sides, and you want to match it to the bottom. So again, like this. You have one side, and then you have the other side, and then you squeeze this down. Now you should get a shape like this. You're now going to take these little pointed up, these little pointed little ones right here on either side, fold it up like this, take your fingers, and you're going to squeeze it down. You should get this shape. So one more time, you take this, fold it up like this. You're folding it up like this. And you take your fingers and you're going to take this and you're going to squeeze it down. And you want to do that to all four sides. Again, up, take this, and you're going to squeeze it down. So do it to all four sides. When you finish, you should look like this. Next, we're going to make kind of like a crane shape on this. From each individual ones, you see this one individually. You have the little points right here. You want to do the left side and the right side, and you want to fold it this way for both left, and you want to do it for the left and right side. So you have this shape like this. You want to do this to all the different sides. Okay. So again, left side, right side, left side, right side, and on all four corners. So then you should get something like this. I did it for all four corners. The next step is you're going to take this and you're going to undo it. I undo this. Okay, what I did was I take this, I undo it, and I open up the flap. Then from the ones that you just folded, you can easily put your fingers in on the sides, the two sides, like this. Make sure it's nice and pointy. Okay. And you fold it up like this. And yes, you have to do it to all four sides. Again, you take this, you undo it, you flip this up. You want to put the corners on the right, make sure corners are nice and straight. Left side, right side. Top is pointy and fold down. And you want to do this to all four sides. So now like this to all four sides. This is the third side. And this is the last side. Okay, we're almost there. Now you're going to take these, and you see the center inside? Then again, there's four pieces. Right here, 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 and here. You're going to take this, and then you're going to take it, and then fold it out like this. You're going to take this and do it to all the sides. So now we have all four sides folded out. Now you see these little points, the ones that are on the corner, you want to fold them now down. Fold them down, fold them down, and fold them down. So now you should have this shape. We're now done with folding. Now we're going to put the pieces together. Now this is the bottom piece. Remember the one that looked like this? We're now going to take this shape and we're going to put it in here. So you see these little points right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to take this, and you see this in between these two. There's a little flop right here. You're going to take this, and you're going to put it inside like this. Now you can do that to all four sides. So this is the first piece. And yes, it will fit. So I have two. Now you should have this that's tucked inside your first and second piece. So remember the first piece that we did, like this right here? Now you have this piece. You're going to tuck it inside the second layer, the one we just tucked in, and there are 4 little corners right here. You're going to take this now, and you're going to tuck into the 4 corners. You're all done. This is a lucky spinner. What you do is take this on a flat surface. This is the part that you hold your hand and you can spin. I hope you enjoyed today's paper folding class. I wish you all a happy summer. Thank you.